exercise 7.4. We have to find the integration of given function by using our particular function formula. These are some particular functions. So here, we have to find the integration of 3x square upon x raised to 6 plus 1 with respect to dx. So here, if you are taking x cube equal to t, and if you are taking the substitution as x cube equal to t, then differentiation on both sides 3x square dx equal to dt. So now we can replace our numerator 3x square dx with dt and denominator as x cube whole square. X raised to 6 is nothing but the x cube whole square, so it's a t square plus 1. T square plus 1. So here we are getting one formula, 1 upon x square plus a square. So this is nothing but the 1 upon a. A is 1, so 1 upon 1 tan inverse x by a, so it's a t by a. T by a is 1, so tan inverse t plus c is the integration. So we're getting I equal to tan inverse t, our t is x cube plus c is the integration. Done. Now sum number 2. So here we are given 1 upon cube root of 1 upon square root of 1 plus 4x square dx. So here, to convert this formula into our standard form, है a square plus x square, here we have to take 2x equal to t. So let 2x equal to t. So we are getting 2 dx equal to dt, and that is nothing but the dx equal to dt by 2. So replace this dx with dt by 2, and this is our integration I, which is dx is 1 upon 2 dt, 1 upon 2 dt upon square root of 1 plus 2x whole square will be there, 1 plus 2x whole square, so that will be 4x square. So 2x whole square is nothing but the t square. This is 1 plus t square. So this is 1 upon 2 constant, 1 upon square root of 1 plus t square dt. Done. So this is our formula, 1 upon x square plus a square. So integration of this one is 1 upon 2 log x square plus x square. It's a x plus x square square root of x square plus a square. Here instead of x square we are having t square. So this is log mod t plus square root of 1 plus t square plus c. Now replace the value of t. T is 2x. It's a 1 by 2 log mod 2x plus 1 plus 2x whole square. So it's a 4x square plus c is the answer. Third one. Third sum. We are given integration of 1 upon square root of 2x minus 2 minus x whole square plus 1 equal to dx. So here taking substitution, which is 2 minus x equal to t. So we are getting minus dx equal to dt, and therefore we can replace our dx as a minus dt, taking this minus 1 as a constant. So our integration I is minus dt upon square root of 2 minus x. 2 minus x is t square plus 1. So this is the square root of t square plus 1. Again previous formula, which is minus log, minus sign is for this minus, log mod t plus square root of t square plus 1 plus c, and that is equal to minus log t, where t is 2 minus x plus square root of t square 2 minus x whole square plus 1 plus c is the answer. This is the integration of third question. Fourth one. So now here we can write this integration I as a integration of 1 upon square root of, this one is 3 square minus 5x whole square dx. Done. So now we can substitute 5x as a t. So let phi x equal to t. So taking differentiation on both sides, phi dx equal to dt. So it's a dx equal to 1 upon phi dt. Taking this 1 by phi as a constant, so integration I is 1 upon phi dx, that is dt upon square root of 3 square minus phi x is our t, so t square. This is a square minus t square. Integration of a square minus x square will be sine inverse. So this will be sine inverse 1 upon phi constant. It's a 1 upon phi, and this will be sine inverse x upon a. X is our t and a is 3 plus c. Now replace the value of this t, which is phi x. So 1 upon phi sine inverse phi x by 3 plus c. This is our required integration I. Question number 5 है ना, ये 5 और ये 6, तो पहले 5. So here integration I equal to 2x, and इसको हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, इंटीग्रेशन I equal to 3x upon 1 plus 2x raised to 4 को लिखेंगे रूट 2x square whole square dx, root 2x square dx. So now we can replace, or we can substitute root 2x square equal to t. So differentiation, root 2 constant, this will be 2x dx equal to dt. So now we can replace our dx as a 1 upon 2 root 2x, 2 root 2x dt, replacing dx, this dx or this dx with 1 upon 2 root 2x dt, and this root 2x square as a t. So integration I is 3x as it is upon 1 plus root 2x square is t, so it's a 1 plus t square, and dx is 1 upon 2 root 2x dt. So this x will be cut, and taking this 3 upon 2 root 2 common, so this constant term, so it's a 3 upon 2 root 2 is constant. Integration, remaining term is 1 upon 1 plus t square dt. So this is basically integration of 1 upon x square plus a square. Tan inverse formula is there. So integration is 3 upon 2 root 2 constant tan inverse x by a t upon 1 plus c. Replace the value of t. T is root 2 x square. So integration I is 3 upon 2 root 2 tan inverse root 2 x square plus c. Done. Question number 6. So here for the sixth sum, x square, integration of x square upon 1 minus x raised to 6 dx is there. So if we take x cube equal to t, then we can get this x square power. So now substituting x cube equal to t, so this will be 3x square dx equal to dt, and therefore we can replace x square dx, which is our numerator, as a 1 upon 3 dt. So इंटीग्रेशन I है ना, इसको हम कन्वर्ट करना चाहे तो I लिखेंगे I इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 माइनस this will be x cube whole square dx, and that's why we replace this x cube as a t. So our I is x square dx, x square dx is 1 upon 3 dt, so 1 upon 3 constant dt, and denominator 1 minus x square, 1 minus x cube square, x cube is t, it's a 1 minus t square dt. So this is the formula, 1 upon a square minus x square, a square minus a square, this is log 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 2a, a is 1, so 2a log mod a square minus x square, it's a plus x upon a minus x, so this will be a plus t, 1 plus t upon 1 minus t plus c. Replace the value of t. T is our x cube, and this will be 2 ones are 2 into 3, so it's a 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 log 1 plus t. T is x cube. 1 plus x cube. 1 minus t. 1 minus x cube plus c. So this is required integration I for question number 6. Seventh. So here x minus 1 square root of x minus 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 dx is there. So for the simplification of this sum, we are first separating our numerator. So writing this I as a x upon square root of x square minus 1 dx minus 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 dx. Now take the substitution of this x square minus 1 as a t. So we are getting 2x dx in numerator. So this is nothing but the integration I equal to integration of these two integrations I1 and I2, where our I1 is integration of this one. This is our I1, x upon square root of x square minus 1 dx, and our I2 is integration of this part, 1 upon square root of x square minus 1 dx. Now this one x square minus 1 form is there, so like substitution is x square minus 1 equal to t. So therefore we are getting 2x dx equal to dt. So x dx is, or x dx is 1 upon 2 dt. X dx is our numerator. So now I1 is 1 by 2 constant. X dx is dt upon square root of x square minus 1, which is t, 1 upon root t. So integration of 1 upon root t is 2 root t. So 2 root t. So 1 by 2 root 2 is 2 root t plus c. 2 cancel. Root t. T is x square minus 1. So integration I1 is square root of x square minus 1 plus c. This is I1. Now you have to find the I2. For this I2, this is already in the form of square root of a square x square minus a square. So what is x square minus a square? So 1 upon 2a. Formula is 1 upon, no, direct करेंगे 1 log mod x plus square root of x square minus 1 plus c, and instead of a square we are having 1 square. So this is our I2. So what is our I? The sum of I1 and I2. So therefore our integration I is I1 plus I2. I1 is square root of x square minus 1 plus c plus log mod x plus square root of x square minus 1 plus c is another constant c. Minus sign is there, so you have to put minus sign. तो कहाँ पर माइनस साइन आएगी? यहाँ पर भी माइनस साइन आएगी, है ना? वेरी गुड, माइनस साइन आएगी. Question 8. So here for the 8th question we are given I equal to integration of x square upon square root of x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6. So this I can be written as x square upon, है ना, नीचे 2 के पावर में होना चाहिए. So it's x cube plus a square and a cube plus a square dx. So this is our required formula, है ना. So now taking substitution as x cube equal to t, replace this x cube with t. So we're getting 3x square dx. 3x square dx equal to dt. And therefore x square dx equal to 1 by 3 dt. This is our numerator, x square dx equal to 1 by 3 dt, taking 1 by 3 as a constant. So our integration I is 1 by 3 constant, taking outside the integration, x square dx dt, and in numerator we are getting our formula, x cube t square plus a cube square. So this is square root of x square plus a square formula. So integration is 1 upon 3 log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square. X is our t, so t plus square root of t square plus a cube square को directly लिखो a raised to 6 plus c, and replace this t with value x cube. So integration I is 1 upon 3 log mod t is x cube plus square root of, now again t square, so x raised to 6, x raised to 6 plus a raised to 6 plus c, 1 by 3 log x cube. This is your answer. Ninth sum. क्वेश्चन लिखना बाकी. Ninth. So in ninth sum we are given integration I equal to sec square x upon square root of tan square x plus 4 dx. Tenth, integration I equal to 1 upon square root of x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. Now denominator tan x square plus 4 is there, and to get the form of particular function, our formula, we are taking tan x equal to t. Let substitution tan x equal to t. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So we are getting sec square x dx equal to dt. This is our numerator. So integration I equal to integration sec square x dx is our dt. dt divided by square root of tan square. Tan is our t. So it's a t square plus 4. 4 is 2 square. So this is again our formula. A square plus x square. है. So integration I is log mod t plus t square plus a square. So t square plus 4 plus c. Again replace the value of t. So our I is log mod t tan x plus square root of t square tan square x plus 4 plus c. This is your answer. 10th. Now क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 to 9 फॉर द पर्टिकुलर फंक्शंस 1 to 6. उसके बाद मैंने आपको और 4 फंक्शन दिखाए थे, है ना. तो कैसे करना है देखो. सो हियर द गिवन फंक्शन इज नॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ आवर पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन फॉर्म, है ना. जो पहले जो 6 फॉर्मूला है उसमें से एक भी फॉर्म नहीं है, तो आपको ये फॉर्म में डिराइव करना पड़ेगा ना. सो वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस गिवन पोलिनोमियल एज ए परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ट्राइनोमियल, जैसे हम स्टैंडर्ड 10 में करते थे कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड. तो जहाँ पर कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर करते थे ना, सेम वही मेथड से करना है. So here question number 10 is there. So how it can be solved? देखो I equal to integration of 1 upon, this is square root of, for completing square we are considering the coefficient of this x. Coefficient of x is 2. So for that we have to divide that 2 with 2. So we are getting 1. Then you have to just take the square of this 1. So 1 square you have to add and 1 square you have to subtract. So this one is x square plus 2x, है ना. 1 को ऐड करो, 1 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, या फिर प्लस 1 करके 1 कर दो तो भी चलेगा. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So now here we are getting our perfect square trinomial. integration with respect to x dx. So this one is I equal to integration of 1 upon square root of x square plus 2x plus 1 है ना, perfect square trinomial. Factor is x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 whole square, and this plus 1 is nothing but the 1 square into dx. So this is our formula है ना, x square plus a square. So here taking this x plus 1 as a t, and therefore we are getting dx equal to dt. Differentiate on both sides with respect to x. So integration I is dx, which is dt, divided by square root of x plus 1 whole square, which is t square plus 1 square. Same formula. So integration I is log mod t plus square root of t square plus 1 square plus c, and replace the value of t with, कहाँ लिया था t, ये रहा, x plus 1. So integration I equal to log mod x plus 1 plus x plus 1 whole square plus 1, वो करेंगे तो हमारा जो फंक्शन है वही आएगा, that is x square plus 2x plus 2 plus c is the answer. Done. ये तो सिंपल था, थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट से हम करें. So question number 11. Here we are given, find the integration of 1 upon 9x square plus 6x plus 5 dx and 12th sum. 12th. Integration I equal to 1 upon square root of 7 minus 6x minus x square, है ना, ये दोनों करते हैं. So for question number 11, first we have to convert this given polynomial in our formula. So for that, completing square method, remember your completing square method. First we have to remove the coefficient of this x square, so you have to divide this polynomial with 9. So taking this 9 constant or as a common, so getting 1 by 9 common, so this will be x square plus 6 by 9 x plus 5 dx. Done. So now you have to consider the coefficient of this x. Coefficient of x is nothing but this 6 by 9. इसको और सिंप्लीफाई करें तो ये होगा 2 by 3. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x ले लिया, उसको आपको क्या करना है, 2 से डिवाइड करना है. तो इट विल बी 1 by 3, 2 से डिवाइड किया तो 2 2 कट, और उसका स्क्वायर लेना है तो 1 by 9 आएगा. तो वो 1 by 9 आपको यहाँ पर एक बार ऐड करना है और एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. सो इट विल बी 1 अपॉन 9, ना, ये तो 9 कांस्टेंट लिया था, वो 9. इंटीग्रेशन 1 अपॉन एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 6 by 9 एक्स प्लस इसका स्क्वायर होगा 1 by 3 का स्क्वायर, 1 by 9 आपने ऐड किया प्लस 5 माइनस 1 by 9 जो ऐड किया था उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दिया, सो dx. इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन करो यही आएगा, लेकिन ये जो फर्स्ट 3 टर्म्स है दैट इज आवर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ट्राइनोमियल. सो इट्स 1 अपॉन 9, 1 अपॉन 9 इंटीग्रेशन 1 अपॉन एक्स प्लस, क्या होगा, एक्स प्लस ये साइन 1 by 3 होल स्क्वायर, जैसे एक्स प्लस 1 by 3 होल स्क्वायर, और यहाँ पर क्या होगा 5 9 ज़ा, है ना, यहाँ पर भी 9 कॉमन लिया था ना हमने, यहाँ पर भी 5 by 9 आएगा. दिस इज और 5 by 9. सो 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9 is 4 by 9. So plus 4 by 9 is nothing but the 2 by 3 whole square and dx. Done. So now this is our formula. How? If we take x plus 1 by 3, x plus 1 by 3 equal to t. So differentiate on both sides. So dx equal to dt. So integration I is 1 upon 9 integration of dx equal to dt, and denominator x plus 1 by 3 is t square plus 2 by 3 whole square. So what is the integration of this? This is x square plus a square formula. So 1 upon 2s 1 upon a 1 upon 1 upon a tan inverse x by a 1 upon 9 is constant, वो पहले से था. 1 upon a, this is our a, so it will be 2 upon 3, so denominator will go into the numerator. 1 upon a tan inverse x by a, x is t and a is 2, so it's a 3t plus c. Again 3 3s are 9, so 1 2, 3 2s are 6, so 1 upon 6 tan inverse 3t, and t is x plus 1 by 3 divided by 2 plus c, so this will be 3x plus 1 by 2, so our answer is 1 by 6 tan inverse 3x plus 1 by 2 3x plus 1 by 2 plus c. This is our integration I. Done. Now 12. Same method. Here the given polynomial is without square root, and here the given polynomial with square root is given. तो इसको कैसे करेंगे? इसको भी पहले आपको परफेक्ट स्क्वायर ट्राइनोमियल में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. और completing square method. So here integration I is coefficient of x square is already 1. So now you have to consider the coefficient of this x. Coefficient of x is 6. Divide it with 2. So you're getting 3. Take it square. So you're getting 9. Add 9 and subtract 9. So it's a 1 upon square root. Here 7 is there, plus 9 minus 9, and minus 6x minus x square dx. So plus 9 minus 9 will be cancelled. So it is 7 minus 6x minus x square given polynomial. Now here, by adding this plus 9 and minus 9, what we are getting? 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 is 16. 16, and taking minus sign common from these last three terms. So minus sign is common. So this is 9 plus 6x plus x square dx. Done. So here this is our formula. 4 square minus this one is x plus 3 whole square dx. So this is basically our formula, a square minus x square. So here taking x plus 3 equal to t. So let x plus 3 equal to t. So our dx is dt. So now our integration I is dx, which is dt, upon square root of 4 square minus x plus 3 whole square. X plus 3 is our t, so it's a t square. This is a square minus t square formula, square root. So it's a sine inverse t by 4 is there. So integration I is sine inverse x by a. This is t by 4 plus c. What is our t? T is x plus 3. So integration I is sine inverse x plus 3 by 4 plus c. Clear? So this is how you can solve your question number 12. Now 13 number. So here you have to find the integration of 1 upon square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. This is similar to question number 12. In question number 12, square root and polynomial is given. Here factors are given. So first you have to perform the expansion. So our integration I is 1 upon square root of x minus 1 into x minus 2 dx. क्या होगा? x square minus 3x plus 2 होगा. This will be x square minus 3x plus 2 dx. Now this is similar to question number 11, है ना. देखो, you have to complete this square, completing square. So first you have to consider the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is -3. Divide it by 2. Divide it by 2 and take the square. We are getting 9 by 4. You have to add and subtract this 9 by 4 to complete our square. So this is 1 upon square root of, this is first term, this is middle term, and the last term is 9 by 4 plus 2 minus subtract 9 by 4 and dx. So our integration I is integration of 1 upon square root of, this is perfect square trinomial, x square minus 3x plus 9 by 4. Factors are x minus 3 by 2 whole square, x minus 3 by 2 whole square, and this will be 4 to the 8 minus 9, 8 minus 9 minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 is nothing but the 1 by 2 whole square and dx. This is our formula. Take substitution, x minus 3 by 2 as a t, and therefore we are getting dx equal to dt. Dx equal to dt. So integration I is dx. Dx is dt upon square root of x minus 3 by 2 whole square. X minus 3 by 2 is t. T square. This is t square minus 1 by 2 square dt. x square minus a square formula. x square minus a square क्या होगा? log mod x. Log mod x. X is t plus square root of x square minus a square. It's a t square minus 1 by 4 plus c, and replace the value of t, which is x minus 3 by 2. So this is your answer. This is log mod x is, sorry, t is x minus 3 by 2 plus square root of t square x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 4 प्लस ही. अब इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन करेंगे तो ये लिखेंगे आप x माइनस 1 एक्स प्लस 2. अगर नहीं लिखना है तो ये भी लिख सकते हो और ये भी लिख सकते हो, है ना. वन मोर स्टेप, लॉग मोड x माइनस 3 बाई 2 प्लस इसका सिंप्लीफिकेशन क्या आएगा, ये एक्स स्क्वेयर माइनस 3x प्लस 2 प्लस c is the answer. Clear? 14 number. Here we given integration I equal to integration of 1 upon square root of 8 plus 3x माइनस एक्स स्क्वेयर dx, है ना. सेम मेथड से जाना है, कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड. सो व्हाट यू टू डू, यू टू कंसीडर द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x, है ना. यहाँ पर था ना 3 था शायद, हाँ ये रहा -3 था, यहाँ पर +3 है. कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x 3 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 एंड टेक इट स्क्वायर. So getting 9 by 4. You have to add and subtract this 9 by 4 in this polynomial. So our integration I is integration of 1 upon square root of this 8, है ना. माइनस साइन है तो क्या करेंगे, इट्स अ प्लस 9 बाई 4 माइनस 9 बाई 4, माइनस रखेंगे, प्लस 3x minus x square into dx. Now from these last three terms taking minus sign common, and here writing these two terms combinedly. So integration I is 1 upon 8 4 the 32 plus 9 41, 41 by 4, and taking minus sign common. So this will be 9 by 4 minus 3x plus x square dx. So integration I is 1 upon, ये लग गई, 1 upon, ये क्या होगा, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 41 by 2 whole square minus, and this will be x square minus 3x plus 9 by 4. Factors are x minus, minus sign is there, you have to consider the sign of middle term. So it's x minus 3 by 2 whole square, x minus 3 by 2 whole square dx. So this is equal to इंटीग्रेशन, है ना, सब्स्टिट्यूशन लेना था, फिर से लिखो स्टेप। तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 41/2, है ना, सेम स्टेप लिख रहा हूँ, x माइनस 3/2 होल स्क्वायर dx। नाउ दिस इज a स्क्वायर माइनस, और ये सब स्क्वायर रूट में था, है ना, बीच में स्क्वायर रूट भूल नहीं जाना है। सो दिस इज 1 स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 41/2 a स्क्वायर माइनस x स्क्वायर फॉर्म। So take x minus 3/2 equal to t. So we are getting dx equal to dt. Therefore, our integration I is 1 upon square root of 41/2 whole square minus t square dt, and this is nothing but the sine inverse t upon square root of 41/2 plus c. Done. And square root 41/2, which is nothing but the sine inverse 2t upon root 41 plus c, and replace the value of t. Sine inverse 2 x minus 3/2 upon square root of 41 plus c. Further simplification, you can also write sine inverse 2x minus 3, so integration I is sine inverse 2x minus 3 upon root 41 plus c is the answer. Clear, students?